My name is Dan Tapper, and my project is called Machines to Listen to the Sky. Machines to Listen to the Sky is a long-term project which I began in 2013 to record electromagnetic sounds produced within the Earth's ionosphere. This radio spectrum band is called VLF, or Very Low Frequency, and some of the sounds in this spectrum are produced by lightning strikes and the northern lights, as well as interference from man-made technology which has electromagnetic emissions of its own. My work with VLF began building devices that could translate these electromagnetic sounds into audio that we could hear with our own ears, listening to the weird and wonderful world of the electromagnetic spectrum. The devices were built from massive coils of wire that were both artistic and scientific in appearance. I also began incorporating these sculptures into my artistic practice as installations and sound artworks. I think it's really important to have an understanding of the world around us. Not just the world that we can experience with our own senses, but by expanding our senses using technology. VLF provides a window to hear unheard electromagnetic radio spectrum, and this includes really interesting natural signals, which are often quite quiet. They're very pretty and beautiful, but these are often overpowered by the man-made technological signals that we place in our own homes and cities. The implications of these man-made electromagnetic signals aren't something we often think about, as it's not something we generally experience. But when we can hear them, we have a greater understanding of the world around us in terms of technology, the loudness of a television, which can be quite aggressive, the sounds a microwave makes, and how these are so loud and overpowering to these natural signals, which are very quiet. This particular installation provides an overview of the work I've been doing with Machines to Listen to the Sky over the last 7 years, placing objects and sounds together in an immersive audio-based installation. It also provides an overview of the aesthetics of these signals and how they might be used to gain more knowledge about the world around us that we can't explore normally with our regular senses. Thanks for joining me for this artist capsule and for finding out more about my project, Machines to Listen to the Sky.